Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Christmas tree storage bags that are available on the market for their true quality. These storage bags are ideal for keeping your artificial trees safe, clean, and ready for next year's holiday season. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in and get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Cresty Christmas Tree Storage Bag, a solid contender for those looking for a lightweight and easy-to-handle option. This bag is designed to fit artificial trees up to 9 feet tall and offers reliable protection against dust, moisture, and damage. Its polyethylene plastic material ensures durability while keeping the bag lightweight, making it easy to transport. The dual zippers allow for hassle-free access, and the attached labeling card slot helps you stay organized by letting you identify the contents at a glance. While the Cresty bag is built to last, its lightweight construction means it might not be the best choice for users with large, heavy trees. The material, while durable, doesn't feel as premium as some of the other options on this list. However, its affordability and versatility make it a great choice for users who need a basic, no-frill storage solution. The Cresty bag can also double as a storage option for other items, like outdoor cushions or holiday decorations. Pros include its lightweight design, spacious capacity, and easy labeling system. On the downside, it lacks the reinforced handles and premium materials seen in higher-ranked options. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that gets the job done, the Cresty Christmas Tree Storage Bag is worth considering. At number 4 is the Belaine 7.5 feet Christmas Tree Storage Bag, which stands out for its heavy-duty 900D Oxford fabric construction. This material is both tear-resistant and water-resistant, offering exceptional durability for users who want a long-lasting storage solution. The bag is designed for trees up to 7.5 feet tall and features reinforced handles for easy transportation, as well as dual zippers with a wide opening for effortless loading and unloading. One of the highlights of the Belaine storage bag is its premium design. The Oxford fabric feels rugged and sturdy, and the reinforced handles provide extra strength to support the bag even when fully loaded. However, its smaller size compared to other bags on this list means it's not ideal for larger trees. That said, it's a versatile option for storing other holiday decorations, such as garlands and wreaths, thanks to its spacious interior and high-quality construction. The pros of the Belaine bag are its heavy-duty materials, reinforced handles, and excellent water resistance. On the downside, its capacity is limited to 7.5-foot trees, which might not suit everyone. Overall, this is a fantastic option for users who prioritize durability and build quality over size. In third place, we have the Handy Laundry Rolling Tree Storage Bag, a feature-packed option that offers effortless mobility. Designed for trees up to 9 feet tall, this bag comes equipped with built-in wheels and sturdy handles, making it incredibly easy to move your tree from storage to your living room. It also features a roomy interior, exterior pockets for smaller items, and a sturdy zipper closure to keep everything secure. What sets this bag apart from others is its convenience. The wheels are a game changer, especially for those who have difficulty lifting heavy objects. The durable polyester material provides excellent protection against dust and moisture, ensuring your tree stays in great condition year after year. On the downside, some users might find the wheels slightly less effective on carpeted surfaces, and the bag's black color might make it harder to spot in storage areas. The Handy Laundry Rolling Tree Storage Bag is perfect for users who value convenience and mobility. Pros include its built-in wheels, spacious design, and durable materials. Cons are its slightly less effective wheels on certain surfaces and the darker color. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a hassle-free storage solution with added mobility. At number 2, we have the Handy Laundry Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This bag is designed to fit artificial trees up to 9 feet tall and offers a spacious, durable design that accommodates additional holiday accessories like lights and tree toppers. Made from tarp-like material, this bag is both tear-resistant and waterproof, ensuring your tree remains protected from dust, pests and moisture. The standout feature of this bag is its simplicity and reliability. The double pull zipper makes loading and unloading easy, while the multiple sturdy handles allow for convenient carrying. The material retains its shape well, even when fully loaded, and the bright red color makes it easy to spot in storage. However, at 1.41 pounds, it might not feel as robust as some of the other bags on this list, especially if you have a heavy tree. Pros include its spacious design, durable materials, and easy-to-use zippers. Cons are its slightly less premium feel compared to higher-end options. This is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and straightforward storage solution for their artificial tree. And finally, our top pick is the Zober Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This bag ticks all the boxes for durability, ease of use, and tree protection. Designed to fit trees up to 9 feet tall, the Zober bag is made from heavy-duty polyethylene plastic that is both waterproof and tear-resistant. It features dual zippers for hassle-free access, reinforced handles for easy carrying, and a card slot for labeling the contents. What makes the Zober bag stand out is its all-around high-quality and thoughtful design. The durable material provides excellent protection against dust and moisture, ensuring your tree stays in pristine condition year after year. The reinforced handles are robust and well-stitched, making it easy to transport the bag even when it's fully loaded. Additionally, the bright red color and card slot make organization a breeze. Pros include its durable construction, easy-to-use zippers, and versatile design. Cons? There really aren't many, though some users might prefer a bag with wheels for added mobility. All in all, the Zober Christmas Tree Storage Bag is the ultimate choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality storage solution for their holiday tree. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy holidays and happy organizing.